Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to fix account warning on TikTok. First, click the menu bar at the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and in Support category, click the Report a Problem. Scroll down again and find Account and Profile. Then tap on it. Click Profile Page. Then tap on Other. It will ask if your problem is resolved. Click No. Then tap Need More Help. In here, you can message them and you can also use my message. After that, you can also add a screenshot of your account that has been warned. Then once you've done that, click Submit. It will take time. You will wait 24 to 48 hours for their response, and then your problem will be solved. Then that's it. That's how you fix TikTok account warning. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.